Hello everyone, this is Ahmad Hussain. I teach artificial intelligence AI to anyone with the simple and easy way so that anyone can understand and build the real world project with confidence. Join our YouTube channel Ahmad Hussain Webshare 1001. What is the vibe coding? Vibe coding is a very important tool introduced by the artificial intelligence. In this day, we can build any professional and smart website or any mobile apps without any prior experience of the computer or without any prior experience of the programming. Just writing the few commands in ChatGPT or Gemini, and Gemini can write the whole code for us. So now in this day we don't need to do any advanced level of the programming or coding. The all things that ChatGPT and Gemini do for us. Vibe coding, we just assemble the whole things inside the one box and we create the full applications. In our first class, we already explored the vibe coding in detail. If anyone would like to understand more detail of the vibe coding, he can go to the link below to our first class. What is the vibe coding does for us? In this course, we will create the complete school management system, and through that system, through this vibe coding, the teacher can log in into the system. They can create the report of the students. Parents can log in into the system. They can retrieve the reports from the systems, and the teacher can upload the student assignment, and student parents can monitor the progress of the student through this project. So this all we're gonna do from the scratch. For that we don't need any coding, we don't need any computer degree, and we don't need any prior experience. I will try to create this project using all free available AI tools. So without paying a single cent, we can create this smart and professional type of the web portal for for school management system. So we will use in this project ChatGPT, Gemini, Firebase, and Cloudflare. So let me give you the brief introduction of the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the long language module. We call it LLM. Gemini is also the LLM. So we just write the prompt to the ChatGPT or Gemini to create the, for example, let's say to create the login page for us, for the student, is for school management system. So ChatGPT or Gemini gonna write the code for us, and then we need the login, because we are creating the login page. So we need the password and username. This password and username we're gonna save into the database. So for the database we're gonna use the Firebase, and then once our page is created, then we need some web service to run that page. For that purpose we're gonna use the Cloudflare. So now you already know that what kind of the tool we're gonna use to develop this our school management system. One is the ChatGPT, other one is the one we missed, the GitHub. We need some memory where we gonna save our web page. So for that we gonna use the GitHub repository, and that's also we will create together to see how this work for us. And Firebase, we already know this is the database. It's gonna create the database for us, and Cloudflare is the web service that's gonna provide us the place to run our web page. If we don't use these free tools, so we have to pay money to buy the web service from this internet service provider, which is bit expensive in beginning. So we don't want to touch that. We just start to use the all free tool. Does this school management gonna do for us? So the school management gonna provide us the dashboard, and through the dashboard we can create the login, and then the teacher can update the student data into the student to the school management portal system. They can also able to upload the report, student activities, class progress, student attendance, sport activities, and finance. And also the parent can use their login username and password to access the information of their children. At the completion of this course, the student will be able to work globally online, and they would able to build the real apps and web applications, and they can earn the good money by selling their product to the international market, and they will stay connected with the international market. So for the more detail, subscribe our channel Ahmed Hussain Webshare 1001, or send me the email on webshare69@gmail.com. So I will keep in touch with you, and I will help you every single step to build that professional type of the website.